Alam mo ba, nanalo ng Bunny Award ang FEU. Tinawag siyang Tayuman. Hindi yung Tayuman Station na. Tayuman kasi pagkakain ka, nakatayo ka. Sarap.
Ang sarap ng sakod mo. Oh, you look so pretty.
This is the FEU Grandstand, guys. So, kapag may mga concerts, may mga major events, dito yan sila. Diyan yung fireworks display. And then, ito yung mga pavilion. Yan yung mga tawag sa pavilion.
Oy.
Maraming nagpo-photoshoot kasi malapit na ang graduation! May mga couple na wag mo na isama. Ito yung PAV. Dito laging nababash yung mga senior high students kasi hindi sila nagliligpit ng mga gamit nila after okay, wag mong gagayahin yung mga nag-iiwan ng mga gamit. Kasi well, yung iba talaga, iniiwan yung mga personal belongings.
Guys, kung gamit yan,
Ayan.
kunin nyo.
Pero kasi, hindi mo alam paano kung merong makati ang kamay. There is a smiling tama raw. Kapag nandun ka sa library, makikita mo, ito yung horn ng tama raw. Ito yung eyes niya. Itong dalawang circle yung eyes niya. And then, ito yung nakasmile.
Nose and mouth?
Mouth lang.
Oh.
And then, ito si Dr. Nicanor Reyes. Siya yung founder ng FE. Be brave, guys.
Kung kailan nag-video ako na wala yung birds. Ito yung
Tapos
chapel.
naging issue before na nagsusulat sa mga bato. Pero actually, yun yung parang naging tradition na magsulat. Although, FEU magtatapos ako.
Oh.
Hindi ako gumawa nito, nabasa ko lang.
Abot kami ng 4th year.
Tawag nila dito ngayon, hindi na Freedom Park eh, nakalimutan ko.
Rock Park
Sorry.
na.
Hindi. This is the FEU Chapel. So, may mga masses dyan. Ito, arts building. Dito ako usually. Kasi Institute of Arts and Sciences ako. And then, ayan, multi-faith prayer room. So, yung mga ibang, ito, multi-faith prayer room. So, yung
So,
mga
ibang-
Muslims. And then, here's the Adoration Chapel. And then, dito, prayer wall.
Oh.
There's the arts building where I spent most of my college, the third year, fourth year, years. Kasi first year ako, online class.
Ano to?
Alejandro Rosas, the national artist. Feeling ko wala silang pasok ngayon kasi ang tahimik. Oh my God, they are closed.
Wait lang. Can I say something?
What?
Bakit mukhang hospital yung class niyo? Yung hallway niyo?
My friend Pressy, she's so smart. Look, top 8. Congratulations.
If you want to be smart, have smart friends. Kasi look at my sister.
Here is the restroom.
Why do we need to know this?
Alam mo ba, nanalo ng Bunny Award ang FEU sa pinakamaganda, pinakamalinis. That's true. You can search it online.
Actually, wait, when I first went sa FEU, binidyoan ko yung CR nila kasi sabi ko, ba't ang linis dito?
Yeah, and then one more thing, yung mga CR sa FEU na all gender, pwede.
Okay.
Kasi very inclusive ang community.
Grabe, nag-elevator siya pataas, tapos papahirapan ako pababa.
Excuse me, mas madaling bumaba kasi yung gravity kesa paakyat. Kung nakikita mo, connecting siya. Ito yung Nicanor Reyes Hall. Pag pumunta ka dyan, science building na, which is, ayan.
It smells like a library, guys. Books. Like brand new books yung amoy.
Hindi ko sure kung open yan kasi hindi pa naman yata nag-start yung classes. Pero we'll see. Okay, it's closed, guys.
Aww.
Pwede tayo dito mag-exit. Imbes na doon.
Okay. She's taking me to the Alfredo Reyes Hall. Well, check namin kung bukas. What the? Kanina mukhang hospital, ngayon mukhang hotel.
Sarado sila.
Oh no. Yung
Monday to
coffee shop?
Friday lang pala sila. Pero 8 to 6. Okay, ito yung coffee shop ng Cafe Alfredo. Ito yung mga sinasabi kong all gender. Ay, sarado. Ito kasi yung ABB, Accounts, Business and Finance Building. Tapos yung katabi nito, yung Nursing Building. Pero dito kasi, nung nirenovate yung Alfredo Reyes Hall, kung nasaan yung mga ITHM or Institute of Tourism and Hotel Management, dito sila nagluluto, etc. Ito yung ABB canteen. So, usually mga high school dito kumakain. Kasi sarado siya kasi Sabado, walang magpasok. And then, ito yung guidance and counseling. Wala siya ngayon. Ayan. Tapos may isa pang elevator dito. Kung marami doon, try nyo kung gumagana to. Okay? So, this is the Tayuman Canteen. Obviously, closed siya kasi Saturday ngayon. Marami talagang closed. Pero tinawag siyang Tayuman. Hindi yung Tayuman Station na. Tayuman kasi pagkakain ka, nakatayo ka. Mukha kang nakaupo no? Pero, hindi kasi ako matangka. Yan.
Small girl problems.
So, kapag may mga babayaran ka, dito ka sa administration building.
As an alumni, saan makikita ang mga pogi? Anong course?
Lahat naman equally maraming pogi pero pogi rin ang gusto.
We're switching shoes. Kasi,
Hindi na niya kaya panindigan.
oo, ang sakit. Parang kasi siyang heels.
May heels naman talaga siya.
Ang sakit. I thought it would be comfortable.
Let's go guys.
Okay. Guys, nilibre tayo ng ate ko.
Bakit tayo? Hindi naman sila kasama. Wala akong pera para sumama sila.
Hindi mayaman ate ko pero sobrang mabait. Ano yung tawag doon? Yung mapagbigay?
Generous.
Generous siya. Guys, subscribe.
Para
Para naman
marami na
malibre ko si ate. Ate, I have a question. Is there like any tips you want to share for senior high school students since you already graduated college?
I cannot speak regarding that because during my SHS days, you're on online class. Siguro ang masasabi ko lang sa mga students, have fun, know how to balance your ACADS and life, join organizations as much as you can, without, of course, sacrificing your academics, your family, your friends. Make time for your friends. Actually, it's more of making time for what is more important or urgent at the moment. Huwag kayo maging pabigat, please lang. Mag-reply kayo sa mga messages sa GC. Know how to save money because sobrang daming expenses everywhere, especially if you are around UBEL. I told M na there are a lot of things that you can spend money on, but hindi lahat yon worth your money. So spend wisely. Start building your habits as early as now kasi you will bring it until makagraduate ka, even in your work. Build nyo na yung habit nyo na gumising ng maaga, magbasa. Kasi your future self will thank you for that.
Guys, nag-change kami positions kasi dito pala tumatama yung aircon, hindi doon. Or
Grabe
not there.
naman, tumatama yung aircon. Eh, parang dito. Check na natin sa taas kung mas malamig.
Okay, we're gonna check upstairs kasi mamaya baka doon yung lamig. Parang mas mainit dito.
Ay, hindi naka-on.
The food is here. Thanks, Ate. Sarap.
Sarap.
Ang sarap ng sahod mo.
Ano?
Sarap.
Busog na ako.
Ate, nakaka-4 minutes pa lang tayo.
Ganun talaga pag pera mo, mabubusog ka agad.
And that's all for today's video. Thanks, Yay! Thanks, Ate, for touring